Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16-inch round canvas, some Walmart semi-gloss paint I'm going to use as a pillow. It's a huge canvas for this. This is really, this is a little tenacious of me. I hope that I'm capable of doing this. And that's a lot of paint. But the more paint I have, the more chance I have of spinning it where I want it. And I still haven't conquered entirely. I cleaned all the paint residue off the bottom of the feet that my turntable sits on, but it still hasn't made it completely possible for me to guess that it's level. I need to find my plumb, my small level. Alright, so we're getting close to here goes nothing moment. And I want to use some of my green gold. And I've been using upholstery tacks in the top of my bottles, which is working. Seems to be working so far. So that's green gold from Folk Art. This is a Chrysocolla from Color Art. It's a prism pour. I'm going to sneak in a little bit of this Mysterious. And what else? I have some emerald green from Decor Americana. I really want some turquoise. And this has got iridescent pearl fine added to it from Golden. I hope this works. I really want this to work. And I have some Arteza. I want to call it pistachio, but it's not. Oh, and I didn't leave a top in it. Is it going to come out? Not really. Okay. Quick fix. Come out. There we go. Something's happening. Sorry to make you wait. There we go. And I'm going to put some gold in there also. And while I'm at it, I think there's going to be some purple in there. This is a lot of paint, but it's a huge canvas too. Alright, and so for my other side, which I could wait on, why don't I do that? Let's see how this spreads out first. I can see where it's going. It's time to grab something to swipe with. And really and truly, what do I want to do? I want to create some blooms on the other side that I intend on blowing into. This is some mica powder. That was a dioxazine purple and an amethyst from Artist Loft. The dioxazine is just a master's touch from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use some neon pink from Folk Art, which is actually matte. Some color shifting purple from Folk Art. A little bit of red, strangely enough. Some orange. Some magenta from Golden. If you have a question about any colors, let me know. And then I'm going to shake up my Aussie Floetrol that's been added to Amsterdam Black Oxide. And I didn't put any gold over there, and I certainly could have. Wow, head rush. Alright, so I'm going to use some black. I was going to use a different tool entirely. And some white. Crash. That was my fork. And I'm going to need a scrape dish. And I'm going to use some purple, which is just dioxazine purple with Floetrol added. And I've got something very sharp on my tool that needs to be trimmed away. I'm going to put some black in there because I don't think that I had the order right. I'm going to let that flow right toward the edge. I got to remember that this stuff dribbles really badly. So I'm going to put the white on first this time. Try that. Put the black on after. See if how that works. Try not to pull any what I call mouse tails. Alright, total experiment. Put that in the bucket. Might want some more blooms up there. Definitely might want some orange. I think I want some yellow too. I don't know how far the spinning will take me. I'm being called to blue. Yes, I am. Okay, so I have some. I'm not sure what this is. It's usually some Anita's white metallic. And I'm just going to go in there again. Try and get into the center safely. I know right now I'm going to lose a bunch of this, but I like the way it looks. Boy, that's a far distance. Down to give you a head rush. Okay, now it's just time to go for it. And keep going for it. Whoops, a little faster. It's not necessarily better because now I got paint on my floor. This is a little confusing to me. Put some white in there. No. I want the orange. I like the color, but the shape wasn't doing it for me. I don't spin. This is what, my second time spinning? Or my first? My third? Excuse me. And I have to decide what I want to do. I meant to use some forks. I'm kind of loving that anyway. I'm not so sure about this, but you know what? I have a really small tool, and I could probably take some of my Arteza phthalo green. That's a lot. It's maybe more than I had in mind. And use some of that purple on my small tool. And pull it right down and help me cover up those spots. I'm inclined to like not worry about my edges right now because I like the patterns that I have. But in order to really follow through on that, I'm going to have to grab some of the pillow paint that I've scraped off in my dish and use it. And then I'm going to do the same thing with all of the paint that's spun off all the way around. I'm just going to keep picking it up with my little tool and putting it back on there. I wonder if there's anything else I should be doing, but I think it's fine. For some reason it's making me very nervous though. That was unexpectedly green. Very cool though. I like it anyway. I think that the shapes are good. So I'm going to say this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida. I'm not allowed to torch because it's pillow paint and it's house paint and it burns and it'll set up. But I am going to be spending a few minutes fixing my edges because I don't want to keep spinning. But I do make these little tools, and there will be a video linked underneath this video to help you create acetate tools from bamboo skewers and acetate and clear duct tape. So if you don't find it there, let me know that I forgot and I'll add it. If you are interested in more videos, I have lots more. I have 2,200, probably 2,100 available. If you have questions, please ask me. The videos are accessible through my channel on playlists, all playlists, created playlists. If you need a link for anything, a playlist or a video, just ask me. This is really cool. I think I'm pretty happy with this. I'm going to keep checking for gaps. And looking for bubbles, which I think I just located 1 and 2. Yep, I'll be looking for bubbles. But I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see this. This is tremendous. I'm really happy with this. I have a couple of places I might not mind messing with, but other than that, I'm going to be looking for bubbles. All right, I love you guys. I'm going to zoom in, so hopefully you can see some of this. Not bad for my second real deal bloom and a 16-inch round canvas. That was ambitious of me. And it looks really, really great close up. Hopefully it will look as good in the thumbnail as I see it. Let's turn it the way I like it for you. There we go. It's garden-esque. This is a little weird over here. I should probably just accept my fate at this point and get on with fixing the edges. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure to check my link tree, the blue link below the video, underneath the tool video. My email address is underneath that link tree, and if you're interested in purchasing an artwork or inquiring about a class with me, private class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, that's the email address to use on the link tree. You will find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my web pages, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More, and Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. Fans and Collectors has albums of artworks. Totes and More has Shop Now button that'll take you to pixels.com and find in America. Appreciation Group is for students. What else can I tell you? My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are underneath the video. Thank you for all the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. Only 15 people or so ever get in my monthly drawing. But if you do decide to be a participant, just make a donation through PayPal and you'll be automatically entered. And you can see what the prizes are to choose from at the beginning of the exhibition video. I include in the last 20 seconds as the exhibition video on the end screens of every video. My Amazon link is a great place to shop, and it helps me out. If you shop there, you can shop anything on Amazon from my link, and it will help me. My 2 books are on that Amazon link. That Amazon link is on the link tree. Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities are volumes 1 and 2. I have all kinds of other great stuff there. If you ever have any questions of any kind, please feel free to ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video, and I do post 7 days a week and multiple times. I've been having a night owl video at quarter of 12. I'm tripping over my tongue today, and it's at 11:45 Eastern Standard Time. I'm trying to read. I think I've told you almost everything, and whatever I've forgotten is Le Galerist. The top link on the link tree is investment quality clothing made in Montreal with some of my very select designs, and it's beautiful all over print leggings and it's beautiful all over dresses, all over print dresses and all over print kimono tops, and lots more beautiful things. That's the spring clothing, the all over print leggings and t-shirts and more is at Spring, and that's the clothing you see under the video. If you click on any of that, you'll be able to see like 150 more things. All right, I've tripped long enough on my tongue, so I'm going to let you guys go. Tell you I love you. I hope you come again soon, and know that I appreciate all your kind words and your comments, and your appreciation keeps my morale boosted and inspires me to keep coming back. So take care of each other, take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I love you. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.